Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to back up WhatsApp Business. So let's get into it. To start with, just launch the WhatsApp Business app. Tap on the three-dot icon on the top and then select Settings. Tap Chats. Then tap Chat Backup. Visit the Google Drive Settings option and tap on your account and make sure it is linked to your Google account. To back up WhatsApp business data, just tap on the Backup button. Also, you can set up a schedule for the backup process or select if you wish to include videos in the backup file or not. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.